Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks. Start by moisturizing well with a gel-based one. Tip: to test the correct shade of concealer, blend it in your neck to see if the shade matches. Use a concealer to cover dark spots and under eye area. Blend with a beauty blender. Mattify with a setting powder and brush off the excess powder. Trace the sides of your nose with a pencil contour stick. Blend it using a contour blender. Press the powder into the skin for a flawless finish. Fill both eyebrows and brush them well. Apply a rose gold shade on your lids and blend well. Use a liquid eyeliner and wing it at the tip.
If you're a beginner at using eyeliner, opt for a sketch pen liner for controlled movement.
Use a coffee brown shade to highlight the lower lash line. Dab a gold shade in the inner corner of your eyes. Apply mascara. Apply blush. Highlight cheek, the bridge of your nose and forehead. Apply a hot pink liquid lipstick. Finish off the look by dabbing a gold shade to create a monochromatic look. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.